It's me, Robinson Skywalker. I'm here with the new Lego Megazord. Yep, this is my own series, Power Rangers Engine Clash. Yeah, I have designed those Zords. See, this is the red jet I did in pen and drawing, and this is my own, the new version of the red jet. See, it looks like the Power Rangers Operation Overdrive red jet. But it looks cool. This will be your wings, and there's the little head there. So I'll do pop. And there's the blue truck that is actually the body. So I actually made this truck from that. It looked like the Power Rangers Lightspeed Rescue, the red sword, but I actually turned it into blue. It looks way cooler than the other sword. Way cooler than the different kinds of blue Zords. So, and there's the yellow crawler from Power Rangers RPM. So this is the version of this crawler. See, this has wheels, but it looks colored. So this might be the legs part. So, and there's the green car, or I'll call it green racing car. It will be like this. So, see the green car, and this is when he did like this. This is called the car, or this, the racing car. That looks cool, right? And it weighs cooler, and it might become the legs. And there's the pink bullet train. This is both arms. Yeah, it looks like the Power Rangers Ninja Steel. So I designed it like this. So this is the arms. And actually, for the design of the Megazord, see this? This is my own design of the Megazord. It will see how cool it will look. So actually, let me get started to the Megazord combining ones. First, you take it this and that, and then connect it like this, and remove that, and there's the leg, and use the yellow Zord, pull it up like this, come the leg, remove the fire starter, and remove this, and unattach this one, then rotate and connect this, and detach this part, and make the legs like that. So connect right there, connect it right there. Oopsie, I accidentally do the wheels. So the wheels like this, and the other wheels like this. So there you go. This is the walker. And now for the walker, because this looks like this, and so it shoots missiles and everything. So now let's get to the real Megazord. Like so. Oh, I'm not gently, so I'll use a Sunstreaker box. Now for the Pink Ranger Zord, I detach it, and where it goes right there. Right there. Yeah, right there. Then the red jet, connect the head, move this thing, and make the wings like this. Then you oh, sorry, I broke it. Yes, I removed it. And then when you have this connected to there, and then connected to the wings, right there, and then you use this to come to top parts of the wing apart. This, and then use this and connect this, and we'll this, and here's your head. See, there is the Megazord. There's the Megazord, or Engine King Megazord. Yeah, that's probably. So this Megazord looks way cooler than my drawing Megazord because it looks different than this. So this is his sword. So this is his gun. Attach it there. And the gun looks like this. And there is his shield to protect himself. Or either if you remove the gun and reverse it like there, it becomes a sword. And yep, it looks way cooler. What do you think? The gun or the sword? Please hope you like the comment. And I hope you like watching my video. Thanks for watching. I hope you like it. Click here and subscribe to my YouTube channel. I hope you build like my same Megazord. I will see you anyways. So goodbye.